All right, guys, we'll make a quick video today. Bitcoin 106. We were actually just at 107. So everything right now that we talked about as Bitcoin, I said, is going to make its way up to 105, 110. And once we get past 110, we're probably going to consolidate. And then we're going to probably get the second phase in this alt season. As you'll see, Bitcoin dominance is relatively up right now. Bitcoin kind of stealing the show as it usually does. Yeah, altcoins are pumping, but they're not pumping anywhere near the percentages Bitcoin. Guys, we've seen, I feel like a broken record. That's why, like, maybe I shouldn't even make videos anymore, because if I'm not shilling anything, like a lot of other YouTubers are, there's really not much to say. But Bitcoin pumps first. We know this. Bitcoin pumps first, just like it did a couple months ago. Bitcoin pumped first when we got the Donald Trump election, went to like $90,000, almost $100,000. Then your altcoins started pumping hard, like Cardano, XRP made its big run. Then they consolidated. Then Bitcoin consolidated. Bitcoin kind of hung out in a range. Now Bitcoin's going out of that range, making new highs. The previous high being 103. Now we're up to 107. We're kind of in price discovery mode right now for Bitcoin. Where will it end? I don't know. 105, 110. That's kind of what I'm thinking. If you guys know, I've been saying that for the last couple weeks. 105 to 110. Could go higher. Could dump to $90,000 today for all I know. But it does look like Bitcoin's probably going to find a range between 105 and 110. Probably hang out there for a little bit. And then we're going to see the second phase, the second leg of this alt season. What do I think is going to happen there? Well, we already got XRP at $2.5 and 2.5, $2.5. So we're probably going to see definitely over a $3 XRP, possibly even in phase two going to a $4 XRP. We're going to definitely see Cardano hit $2 in phase two. And we're probably going to see Litecoin hit $300-400. I mean, you pick your coin. I'm not going to go through all the coins, but essentially the second phase is probably going to be a 2 or 3x for a lot of these coins. Then those coins are going to pump first, your XRP, your Cardano, your Litecoin. Then you're going to see the lower cap coins like Vulcan Forge, Hex, your AI coins, your Render, your gaming coins. They're all going to start to pump as well. And it's really interesting because it's just repeating. The cycle is repeating until eventually we get to a point where Bitcoin's not going any higher, which could be 150, maybe be 120, 150. Some people think it's 200. I don't think it's going to be that high, but what do I know? And then Bitcoin's going to say, okay, I've reached my high of 150. I'm done. This bull market's done. It's over with. See you in 4 years, motherfuckers. And then it's going to dump slowly for the next year, going back down to probably $50,000. Then you're going to see Michael Saylor and all his shit, all his margins are going to get called, and all these exchanges are going to collapse. Then you're probably going to see Bitcoin drop down to $30,000, maybe even to $20,000, because it's going to be all out bedlam in the next couple years. But as of right now, things are looking good. All right, let's see what's going on in the news. Of course, the Cointelegraph XRP price chart. Bull flag targets $15 despite consolidation phase. XRP's latest pullback forms a classic bullish continuation structure with a profit target above $15. Ain't happening, not getting $15. We might get $10 for XRP. And I made a video a couple days ago talking about these crazy price predictions that are going to get everybody wrecked. And I was thinking about it. I like these price predictions because it gives me a chance to get out while all the dumb money stays in. So when we're at an $8 XRP, a $10 XRP, and I'm selling everything, all the dumb money is going to be waiting for a 15, and then of course we're not going to get it, and they're just going to hold, and I'll be selling my bags to them. But a lot of the articles right now are talking about a $15 XRP. We could get it, guys. I don't know. I don't think we're going to get it. I hope we get it, but I think we're probably not getting a $15 XRP. I think we'll probably get a 10. I guess what I would do is anytime you see these articles come out, and you're seeing a lot of them right now on like what price they think a certain coin's going to get, just take off like 30-40%. And that's probably where we'll get. And that's how it's been throughout the last 10 years in crypto. So it's pretty much history's repeating anyway. So of course history's going to repeat on the price predictions as well. Just like I said, all the Cardano price predictions were like $15 in my last video I made. Probably get to like an $8 Cardano. That's be more reasonable. I'll be mostly out at 5, but I would say an 8 could happen. Not getting a $15 Cardano. But again, I could be wrong. These are just my opinions, okay? All right, Cardano price forms a rare pattern, putting to a Santa Claus rally. Ho, 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 ho. Christmas is less than 10 days away. And funny, because last Christmas, I remember that's when Bitcoin was making a leg up. I remember all the meme coins were going crazy. That's when I bought SNEC. And I've still been holding it for a year later, and it's done like a 20x, 30x since then, which is insane. God, I'm so dumb. Like, if I had just put a couple $1,000s into SNEC this time last year versus like a couple hundred, I don't know. Live and learn, live and learn. But Cardano's price has remained sideways this month, but a rare chart pattern indicates a potential comeback in the coming weeks. Cardano, the popular layer 1 cryptocurrency, is trading at 1.6. Well, now we're at 1.11. Down 20% from its high, blah, 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 blah. Any price prediction on this one? I mean, this really isn't Cardano specific, but I can tell you guys right now, if Bitcoin continues to like 110 throughout the next week, and then the week after is Christmas, that would be the correct timeline for us to have for us to be starting the second phase of alt season. Christmas could be the start of the second phase of the alt season, so it could be a really good Christmas. Although we could just dump right here and get rejected for Bitcoin and go right back to $100,000. I don't know, but I can tell you guys the way things are going right now, it's definitely lining up for I guess you call it a Santa. Is that what they call it? They call it a Santa rally, and now there's boots. I'm getting ads for boots, I guess because it's cold here. And that's pretty much it, guys. No, I didn't want to make a long video. Not too much going on. I talked about the drones the other day. I know nobody gives a shit, but I'm fascinated with the drones. Not too much new on that. And as far as Bitcoin's just making its way back up. I think the Fed, something with the interest. Let's do a look at CNBC. It says S&P 500 rises as Wall Street gets ready for a Fed meeting. So there hasn't even been a Fed meeting. They're just getting ready. MicroStrategy jumps as Bitcoin will join the NASDAQ 100. Oh my God, that bubble is so filled. The MicroStrategy bubble right now, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's going to pop so freaking hard. People, they're adding a stock to the NASDAQ 100 that is basically just a pump and dump scam. That's all it is. Unbelievable. But more power to anybody in MicroStrategy. And that's it. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.